So I know that when you hear skin lightening or extreme skin lightening, you immediately think skin bleaching, right? Yes. Well, let me tell you, or rather, let me show you how you can get a lighter skin up to 3, 4, 5 shades lighter than your normal skin complexion without looking bleached or washed out. Now, before we get to the lab, I have a video where I talked about the difference between skin lightening, skin whitening, and skin brightening. So if you like to see that video, click this link here to watch that video. Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, you're welcome. My name is Sele Kalio and I create weekly videos on skincare DIY. I teach you how you can properly take care of your skin and how you can make your own skincare products at home. And in this video, I want to show you how to make a very natural extreme skin lightening facial wash or face wash. Now, if you like to see how I made this product from scratch, then you definitely want to keep on watching to the end of this video. Okay, so as usual with any other kind of formulation, you want to make sure that everything is clean and sterilized. So we need a beaker. We're going to have 3 different phases for this formula, and our phase A has and phase A1 and phase A2. So for our phase A1, we have our glycerin, which is going to act as a humectant and also a solvent for our xanthan gum. Now we're going to use this to create a slurry to make sure that our xanthan gum is easily incorporated into the other phases of this product. Now this is what is going to give our product the gelling effect or the jelly effect that it will have. Now you can skip this if you don't mind the product being liquidy, but I want to have a nice, viscosity with this product. So I'm going to use a xanthan gum to create that gelling effect that will give the product a jelly feel. Okay, next we are going to move on to our phase A2, and in our phase A2 we're going to measure out our water. Now we're going to use the water to hydrate our phase B and also use it to hydrate our phase A2. Right now, after measuring out our water, we're going to add our allantoin, and allantoin is a treatment that helps to prevent dry, rough, or scaly or itchy skin, and it can also stop any form of irritation that will come with this product. Go ahead and pop that into the double boiler to dissolve this completely. Now moving on to phase B, we want to get another beaker. Yes, you're going to use a lot of beakers, or you can use any other container. Now we're going to measure out our phase B, and our phase B is our active ingredients. Now we're using azelaic acid, and this acid helps to reduce inflammation. So if you have things like pimples, acne, clogged pores, discoloration, it can help to treat all of that. This particular product is also said to have neutralizing activities against free radicals that can cause inflammation. It has a very good significant skin calming effect and can help to improve redness. So if you have sunburn, if you have discolorations on your skin, this product is good for you. Now we're also going to use citric acid, which is going to act as a chelating agent for this product. It's going to help to stabilize the pH of this product, which we want at a certain pH. At the end of the video, I'm going to talk about that. Now we're going to use the remaining part of our water. Now remember that this particular formula has water in 2 different phases, so you want to measure out your water and then share it into 2 to use it for each of these phases. Now for this, we are using the water to hydrate or dissolve our active ingredients. We're also going to be using propylene glycol, which is going to help to fasting or hastening up the dissolving of our active ingredients, and also act as a humectant for this product. Now go ahead and mix that together, and you will find out that it helps to dissolve the azelaic acid quicker, and it helps to make sure that the product is stable at a pH of 4.5 to 5. Next, we're going to now add our phase A into our phase A2. Remember, we have two phase A portions. We have the phase A1 and the phase A2. Now we're going to add the phase A2 into our phase A1 and then mix that together. This will create the base for this product. Now bring back our phase B, and you can see that everything has dissolved completely. Now we are going to add EDTA. Now the EDTA protects the integrity of your product. It helps it from undergoing unwanted consistency change, pH change, or odor change, and it can also protect your product from losing its texture. Okay, go ahead and mix that together. Make sure everything is well incorporated and dissolved. Now we have our phase A and we have our phase B. We are going to add our phase B into our phase A. Now I like to strain this because I don't want particles into my products. I'm making sure that all the ingredients, all the products that didn't dissolve properly doesn't end up in my product, so I'm going to sieve that. So go ahead and mix that together. Now I know that the product is not jelly yet. Remember that if you want your product to have the very strong gelling effect, you can go ahead and increase the xanthan gum quantity, but I like it just as it is. As it gets as it stays longer, it will continue to hydrate until all the xanthan gum is completely hydrated. Now go ahead and add your botulinum glycol. Botulinum glycol is acting here as a humectant, and it also helps to coat the skin's surface. That helps to create barriers that prevent water loss. So it is basically an emollient. Now moving on to our phase C, we're going to add our surfactants. These are the products that are going to help to give the story that we're selling. Cocoa glucoside is a gentle cleansing agent, and it is a non-ionic surfactant, and this is safe for face products, baby products, and it doesn't give that stinging effect on your eyes. We're also adding cocoa betaine, which is also a foaming agent. It will help to give a very good lather to our product. Now if you notice, once I added the cocoa betaine to the cocoa glucoside, you see that we have an opaque product. Don't worry about that. Once we add this to our other phase, it will clear out immediately, so you don't have anything to worry about. Next, we're going to add our extracts, and we're working with different kinds of extract. Now for this particular phase or this particular stage, you can add whatever extracts that you think well suits your product story. For me, I am adding sea buckthorn extract, I'm adding papaya extract, and I am also adding mulberry extract. Now if you don't want your products to have this amber color, you can go ahead to pick extracts that are clear, so that when you mix everything together, you will have a clear looking product. But I don't mind the look of the product. I rather look at the benefits of the product before I look at the aesthetics of the product. Okay, so this is what I have done. Go ahead and choose your extracts carefully as you want and add them to your formula. Now I'm going to add my preservative. This is going to protect my product from any form of spoilage, and I'm also going to add my fragrance oil. You can add any fragrance oil that you want. You can also add essential oil, but I am adding fragrance oil. Go ahead and mix the both phases together. Now in this bottle or in this beaker, I have my phase A and B, and in the beaker on my right, I have my phase C. I'm going to add that into my phase A and B, and then you will see that once I mix that together, the product becomes clear. as you can see. So that's why I said you don't have anything to worry about. Now you're going to go ahead and leave this to hydrate for at least 24 hours. For me, I didn't keep it up to 24 hours because I had other things to do, so I came back after a few hours to check on it. Go ahead and cover that with your foil, and you can keep it, like I said, for 24 hours or for a few hours. And then of course I came back to check it after a few minutes, and then this is what we have. The product is looking beautiful. Now if you want your product to be thicker than this or jelly than this, you can increase the percentage of your xanthan gum, but for me, I like what I have and I'm going to work with it. Now I couldn't wait for this product to completely hydrate because I had, like I said, I had other things to do. Go ahead and store your product in a nice container that is easy for you to use. Now I'm sorry guys, I know I said I was going to show you guys how I make my labels. I am definitely going to do that video. Now while you wait for the video, I have another video where I actually showed you the apps that I use and bits and pieces of how I actually make my labels. So I'm going to leave a link here for you guys to watch that video if you're interested. Now, if you haven't subscribed up till now, please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section, because I will love to hear your thoughts and interact with you in the comment section. Now, the benefits of this product is it repairs your skin, especially after you have had like a bad bleaching experience or whitening experience that has made your skin go bad. Your skin barrier goes through a degradation when you use whitening products that contain things like lead, mercury, and the likes of that. So this particular product helps to not only reverse and maintain a better looking, whiter skin, but also repairs your skin, and your skin will produce more collagen to keep your new skin healthy and looking glowy. Now there are natural ways that you can whiten your skin, and this is one of them. You don't have to add 10 million tubes and serums and all of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this product. Use this product in the morning and at night, and after using this, I'm going to leave a link to a particular serum that I made or essence that I made for you to pair this product with, and you will be glad you did so. If you like to shop this product, we have a more advanced version of this product that we sell to our customers. That version is a more advanced version. So if you like to get that, click the link in the description bar to shop on our website, or send us a WhatsApp message for a free consultation on recommendations on best products that your skin needs. Okay, and if you like to get any other skincare products, definitely reach us on our WhatsApp message for consultations, and we'll be glad to help you pick out the best products for your skin needs. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm really grateful. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for just generally supporting this channel. I really do appreciate you guys, and I definitely am going to see you in my next video. Bye.